In this video, we're going to give you a brief overview of the Brother Strong Tough HD, the 531HD. This particular machine is a mechanical sewing machine. There's not a computer board that holds your stitches. There's a cam stack inside the machine that is reading all the stitches. It has 53 total stitches built in. Among those stitches, you will get the one-step buttonhole maker built in. It does come with a special buttonhole foot. You can put the button you're working with in. It's going to size it every time to that. It's a standard square end. You got your straight stitches, zigzag, you got blind hem stitches, you have some decorative stitches built in on the machine. All of these stitches here are the stretch stitch family. You have a straight stretch stitch, you'll have overcasting stitches. This is the old-timey feather or briar stitch. It's also used in quilting, but it's a great stitch for overcasting the edge of a garment. You also will get a double overcast stitch. It's the same type of stitch you'll see on a serger. Then as we go further down, you'll have other stitches built in, blanket stitches for overcasting, and you'll have some more decorative stitches built in on the machine. It's really easy for us to dial the stitches up. On this side, you have your stitch selector dial that you can move it. You're going to know exactly where you're located at on this planogram, so you know what stitch that you're on at any given time. The machine does have the horizontal spool pin, and you have a clear path to threading. Everything is going to be channeled for me all the way down to my needle, and then you have a built-in needle threader on the machine. Have the top drop-in bobbin. I can see my bobbin at any given time, so I know when I'm running low, and it's very easy to thread the bobbin on these machines. This machine makes a great machine as a backup, a first machine, or if you just need a good utility sewing machine. The HD531 is a really good machine to look at. Now you will have the metal throat plate on it. It makes it a lot smoother about your fabrics moving across it, so you don't have to worry about fabrics hanging on that. And on the side of the machine we do have a little razor that we can rake that thread across and snip the thread at any given time. I really like the accessory tray on this machine because it opens up toward me and I can easily get to whatever I need to, get my accessories out, change out presser feet, keep everything stored in the machine, and then I can close everything back up. You can remove the accessory tray. It exposes the free arm of the machine, so if I'm hemming a pant leg or shirt sleeve, it's really easy for me to do that in any cylindrical item. And then on the front of the machine I do have drop feed, so if you're doing free motion quilting or stippling, or if you need to darn a hole or put on a button, you can drop those feed dogs out of the way so it's not feeding, and you can do those applications as well. On the top of the machine here I can adjust the stitch length, the stitch width, and here's my tension setting, and I do have reverse for doing those back tags. Because this is a low shank snap-on system, there are dozens of presser feet on the market that's compatible with the ST531. Ken Sewing Center carries everything that's made for the ST531. We can help you find the right accessory for the projects that you're doing. So let's do a little bit of sewing on the machine and show you just how smooth it sews and how durable, how strong and tough this machine is. The Strong and Tough does live up to its name. It can handle heavier weights of material. Here I've got 2, 4, 8 layers of denim that I'm going to be working with, and under my presser foot I have extra high lift on the presser foot. I have a larger feed dog, so it's grabbing my fabric in 6 places. That surface area touching my material is going to really help feed the material through smoothly, so I can get thicker materials underneath it and don't have to worry about anything like that. So now I'm going to put the machine to use. That's 8 layers of denim. Then I'm going to go from the 8 layers of denim all the way down to maybe some cotton. We'll show you how that top drop-in bobbin will crawl down onto the material. I do have electronic foot control, so if I want to back off of the speed, I just let off the foot control. If I want to go faster, I'm able to do that. And now we're going to sew through some stretch material. Very smooth operating machine. If I want to back tag when I get to the end, I can do that. And I just raise that up. When I lift my presser foot up, it releases the tension disc in the machine here, so now I can pull my fabric through with no problem whatsoever. And then I have a little razor on the side of the machine here to clip that thread. So I went through 8 layers of denim to a cotton to a stretch material. There's no puckering. I've not had to adjust tensions whatsoever. It's not a finicky tension system on this machine at all. Another thing that makes the Strong and Tough a great machine for a starter, it does come with a finger guard, so I can easily install that on the front of the machine, and now I have a finger guard so I have to worry about getting my hands in where the needle may be. In Sewing Center is your authorized Brother dealer. We've been a Brother dealer for over 50 years. We carry all the models they make and all accessories for Brother. When you purchase a machine from us, you get our premium support package. We're here to help you for the life that you own your machine. You can pick up the phone, be sitting in front of your machine, and we can talk you through functions and how to use the machine. If you feel like you're having a problem, our technicians can help you troubleshoot anything and help you with any kind of repair or any issue that you may have. We're just an email or phone call away.